in the School of Civil Engineering and Environmental Science, we have a breadth of disciplines and we have experts in all those fields. So you don't have to necessarily be narrow in one area, you can actually get a lot of exposure to a lot of different areas, which civil engineering is a pretty broad field. So there's a lot of opportunities to get in on cutting edge research. Various faculty members working on different things from more experimental based to more theory based. So whatever suits the students' need, they can find. We have structural engineering, architectural engineering, which is like building systems, water resources, geotechnical.
I would say that civil engineering is a very, very unique field because you get to be part of a community of engineers that actually protect humans. They protect them in a different way than you might be imagining, and it's related to building safe structures, safe schools, safe bridges and roads. Something that's very unique, and it bears a very, very strong responsibility to the society.
Civil engineering is sort of known as like the people-serving field. So we are building the infrastructure that you're using daily to get to work or get to school, the building that you're in, the bridges that you're driving over. So we're serving the community. So we're sort of giving back in that sense. And I think that's what draws a lot of students to civil engineering.
Here, what makes this place unique is the diversity on what they can choose, and pretty much they can also build their own path down the road. You get to choose that career path here at OU. I believe, especially for engineering, experience plays a very significant role. So you being actively involved in an activity or with a model, experimenting and figuring out what they like more or what they like less, because being introduced directly to a physical model or an experiment, you can feel that connection or feel maybe that that's something that you won't be doing in your entire life. So that definitely also gives another perspective to the student.
There's a lot of great programs at OU in terms of getting faculty and students hooked up to try to start a research project, whether it's their first time or sort of growing the research project throughout their 4-year career.
I'm investigating using computer models, or what we call numerical models, to simulate natural hazards like tornadoes or flood events and see how our infrastructure, the buildings, the bridges are behaving when these events happen, and try to build a stronger and more resilient infrastructure for our communities.
We have capstone courses where teams are broken out and you have different disciplines. So we challenge them to design a real world problem. So we're working with Oklahoma City, Oklahoma Department of Transportation to identify projects that are real, actually being designed currently. And the students go through the semester, design that project, present it to a panel of professionals, faculty members.
Because at the end of the day, we want our students to be successful and have their own career paths the way they want those career paths to look like.